As government decides whether or not to vaccinate pregnant and lactating women against the novel coronavirus, India Today speaks to experts as to why it is imperative now to vaccinate women. Here's a news report.
"34-year-old Dimple Arora Chawla, 7 months pregnant with her second child.
I am not able to speak.
In her last video, before her painful death, put the focus on why our women, pregnant women, need protection against the deadly novel coronavirus. Nearly 5% of the country's population comprises of women who are pregnant. But the government has not yet included them in the clinical trials, and they are not getting a shot against COVID-19. But given the concerns around their immunocompromised condition, experts say this is the need of the hour. Pregnant women infected with COVID-19 face a higher risk of death than those who are not, a study has revealed. The analysis by a team of international scientists from the University of Oxford and published on the JAMA Pediatrics Network found that pregnant women with the infection are also more likely to see their newborn babies die of the virus. Should a woman get a vaccine if she wants to have a baby?
We have already seen that a COVID-19 infection in pregnancy is very deleterious. So it's better that we see that because the benefits outweigh the risk for COVID vaccination. So a lady should get herself vaccinated before getting pregnant.
Does fertility get impacted if I take a shot against COVID-19?
COVID vaccine does not have any impact on long-term or short-term effects on fertility, and it has been recommended by the American Society of Reproductive Medicine also that women planning to conceive can safely take the vaccine and then they can plan pregnancy. It does not have any long-term or short-term impact on fertility.
Does the vaccine affect the menstrual cycle?
A lot of studies are going on right now, but none of them have shown any impact on the gynecological health of the woman or her periods. See, periods are affected by a lot of things: stress, exercise, food. So there may be other things which are associated with it.
A study in the American Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology showed that pregnant women make COVID antibodies after vaccination and successfully transfer them to their fetuses. The only way for the infants to get COVID antibodies is from their mother. Here in India too, the chorus to protect pregnant women is growing. Many say the benefits outweigh the risks and the choice should be that of the woman's. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today.